Good morning. It's another wet Saturday. Note to self in the future, don't buy a project car in the winter when you've got no indoor storage and you can only work on it at night time or weekends, and at night time you've got no good lighting. But anyway, it's raining again, but I thought I'd do a walk around video because I've never actually done one, certainly not in daylight, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour of the car. Start from the front. The backstory is that although much loved, this car was parked in some kind of builder's yard in Brentford in London, where a whole load of pallets fell on it, which dented the wing, totally wrecked the bonnet, smashed the windscreen and the trim here, so the door rubs, did the roof in a couple of places, particularly over here, and basically made a mess of it. It also managed to catch the wing this side, although it's not as bad. The weird thing about this car is that the arches have never been repaired and are incredibly solid, all four of them, which is, you know, weird for an SD1. Even where it comes down to the sill is good. It's just the actual sill at the bottom has gone. So this car was basically sat on a mud yard, no concrete or anything, which is why the bottoms of the doors, the sills, bits of the front apron and stuff have gone, whereas the arches and the metal at the top is good. We have these weird rust bubbles, looks like it's been shot. Tailgate's really good. I think there's one small dent in it, but no rust whatsoever. Interior, we have genuine motor liter steering wheel. This is bounty blue two-tone interior, no carpet, but it does have the satin wood trim and the sort of, I don't know what you call it, striped seats with piping. Unfortunately, where the water has been getting in through the windscreen, this is rotted. I was going to try and patch it, but it literally turns to dust whenever you sit on it or you move it, so really I need to get some new seats. Headlining, usual story, saggy and horrible. Pillar trim's gone. Dash is really good. Most of the door cards are good apart from the driver's, which I'll either need to repair or get another one. Sills, this side, the sill's actually pretty good. Ugh. Doors are stiff, as you might imagine. There's some surface rust and the rear end will need replacing, but the majority of the sill's really good. Other side, I'm not so sure, I might have to swap it. I don't really want to, because on these it's incredibly involved. Yeah, see the door there. Big problem with this one, although this wing is mostly solid at the wheel arch, it has this big frilly hole here. That's easy to sort once you've taken the glass out. It also has this huge dent, which I think is from a forklift truck related accident. It hasn't moved the interior panel, but yeah, it's definitely going to need a new outer skin, which is a shame because, as I said, the wheel arch looks really good. Right, that concludes our walk around. I'm not going to bother showing you under the bonnet because that'll be in other videos and I'm sure you've seen it before.